They're trying to sink when they get in. Either that or it's gonna do really good.
It's gonna do really good. Look at that.
Oh.
Failures!
Paddle! Paddle! Paddle!
You suck!
Gosh dang it.